Dear children, from the poem Trees Are Lovely, let's study the comprehension part, that is, answer the following questions. So let's start reading and writing the question answers. So kindly concentrate and keep fingers on your notebooks when we are reading the question answers. Here we have B. Answer the questions. So the first question, what are some of the colors of trees? Can you think of more? The answer is, the colors of the trees are brown and green. Some others colors are orange, red and golden. The second question, what are some of the parts of trees? Can you think of more? Once again, I will read the question to you. What are some of the parts of trees? Can you think of more? Answer: trunk, stems, branches, leaves, and flowers are some of the parts of the trees. Trunk, stems, branches, leaves, and flowers are some of the parts of the trees. Let's learn the third one. How are trees useful to children? Answer: children play under the shade of the trees and they like to have fun by climbing their branches. Answer: children play under the shade of the trees and they like to have fun by climbing their branches. The fourth question, in what other ways are trees useful? Answer: the first point, trees provide shelter from rain and give shade from the sun. The second point, trees purify the air we breathe. Let's read once again. Answer: the first point is, trees provide shelter from rain and give shade from the sun. Second point, trees purify the air we breathe. So you need to write these 4 questions one time in your notebook. Now let me explain to you the question answers. The first question, what are some of the colors of trees? Can you think of more? And the answer is, the colors of the trees are brown and green. Some other colors are orange, red and golden. So children, usually we see the color of the trees as brown and green. The stems have brown, the trunk is brown and the leaves are green. But some trees change their color in autumn and so the color changes to orange, red and golden. So we can say that the other colors are orange, red and golden. Some may be purple and even pink also, but I have not mentioned here. Let's study that some other colors are orange, red and golden. Next, what are some of the parts of the trees? We know the parts of the trees as trunk, stems, branches, leaves and flowers. These are some of the parts of the trees. There are many parts such as twigs, but let's study only the important parts of the trees, that is trunk, stems, branches, leaves and flowers. The third question, how are trees useful to children? What do we do? As you are children of a smaller age, what do you like to do? If you are left on the ground to play, or else you are left to a place where you are having fun. So what do you do usually? You like to play under the tree. That is, children play under the shade of the trees and they like to have fun by climbing their branches. So how do you feel happy? So when you play under the tree is very small in size, you like to climb the branches and have fun. So this is the way you enjoy, and we can say that trees are very useful to children in these ways. So number 4, the question is, in what other ways are trees useful? So how we can say trees are useful? So trees provide shelter from rain and give shade from the sun. And the second point, trees purify the air we breathe. So these 2 points let's keep in our mind, and even remember the tree provides shelter for all the creatures. So we have many ways where the trees are useful in one or the other. So we have mentioned here only 2 points to study, that is, they provide shelter from rain and give shade from sun, and they even purify the air we breathe.